Hi, thanks for tuning in to this Planetizen course. My name is David Dixon. I'm Stantec's Urban Places Fellow, and I'm very enthusiastic about the fact you're listening to this course because I think that downtowns will be more important to the success of their cities and regions, and at the same time have an era of greater potential than at any time probably since World War II. And to make that sound like I'm not overstating, a new era of downtown opportunity, Main and Main, the intersection of housing and innovation, is about bringing together the most significant demographic and economic development trends shaping our communities today and demonstrating how they come together, how you can plan for their coming together, manage this intersection, and benefit from it. I'm going to start by talking a little bit about how the pandemic has reshaped the future of downtowns, not changed their trajectory, but accelerated in many cases. The new Norm 101, the economic imperative and demographic opportunity I alluded to a minute ago, talk about why downtowns are our most natural communities of innovation, and a little bit about how innovation is really and will certainly increasingly over the next 20 years drive economic development. The process, policies, principles for adapting downtown to this new era of economic imperative and demographic opportunity, address the really critical and probably growing equity and inclusion crisis that, unfortunately, these changes will trigger or exacerbate, and how to actually turn challenge into opportunity, and then conclude with what I hope are the next steps you can all take. This is based on a talk, but I think this makes it more relevant, that I gave to the Downtown Partnership in Indianapolis, a partnership challenged by the pandemic and all of its impacts on downtowns, challenged by the changes in our office economy, which I will talk about, challenged by growing concern that folks across Indianapolis had about their future as a city and the future of downtown, given the impacts of the pandemic, but also really excited about the opportunities ahead because of unparalleled demand for housing in downtown, an opportunity shared by virtually every downtown across North America, and the possibilities of using this unparalleled, unprecedented demand, not as a goal or an end in its own right, but a tool for unlocking a new era of economic development opportunity for downtown, the city, and the region. So let's get started.